From humble street food to royal feasts, the journey of your favorite meals is more incredible than you know. This is the history of the dish.
Virgin Islands Johnny Cake. Johnny Cake, a beloved staple in the Virgin Islands and throughout the Caribbean, has a rich history tied to indigenous traditions, colonial influences, and the resilience of island cultures. While its exact origins are debated, the story of Johnny Cake reflects the fusion of African, European, and native Caribbean culinary traditions. The term Johnny Cake likely derives from journey cake, a simple, durable bread that could be carried on long trips. Some theories suggest it comes from Shawnee cake, referencing the Native American Shawnee people who made similar cornmeal-based breads. Others believe it evolved from the West African Johnny, or Johnny bread, brought to the Caribbean by enslaved Africans. In the Virgin Islands, Johnny Cake is distinct from the cornmeal-based versions found in other parts of the Caribbean and the American South. Instead, it is a slightly sweet fried or baked bread made with flour, sugar, butter, and sometimes coconut milk, reflecting the island's adaptation of European baking techniques with local ingredients. During the colonial era, the Danish, British, and other European powers controlled the Virgin Islands, introducing wheat flour and baking methods. Enslaved Africans and their descendants adapted these ingredients into their own cuisine, creating a bread that was both filling and easy to prepare. Unlike the hardtack, unleavened bread carried by sailors, Virgin Islands Johnny Cake was softer and richer, often fried in oil or lard for a crispy exterior. It became a staple at breakfast, served with saltfish, butter, or jam, or enjoyed as a snack. Johnny Cake remains a cherished part of Virgin Islands food culture, especially in the US and British Virgin Islands. It is commonly found at local bakeries, roadside stands, and family gatherings. Variations exist. Some make it with baking powder for a fluffier texture, while others keep it dense and slightly sweet. In festivals and celebrations, Johnny Cake is often paired with other traditional dishes like pâté fried dough with fillings, or served alongside stewed fish or chicken. Its versatility and delicious taste have made it a symbol of Virgin Islands heritage. Today, Johnny Cake is enjoyed by locals and visitors alike, with many families passing down their own recipes through generations. Some modern twists include adding cinnamon, nutmeg, or even cheese for a savory version. Whether fried, golden brown, or baked to perfection, Virgin Islands Johnny Cake remains a delicious reminder of the island's history, a simple yet enduring dish that tells the story of survival, adaptation, and cultural pride. From its uncertain origins to its place on modern-day breakfast tables, Johnny Cake is more than just bread. It's a testament to the resilience and creativity of Virgin Islands people. Its evolution reflects the blending of cultures and the ingenuity of Caribbean cooking, ensuring its place in the island's culinary legacy for years to come.
The recipes for all of our dishes are linked in the description below. Like, subscribe, and click on the next video.